Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve question number 5 of NEET Physics paper 2017. Let us solve question number 5. It says a 250 turn rectangular coil, there is a coil which is having so many turns. The number of turns is 250. Rectangular coil of length is given. Length is 2.1 centimeter, and the breadth is length and breadth is or width is 1.25 centimeter. Carries a current. This carries a current of 85 microampere. So current is 85 microampere. Subjected to magnetic field of strength. Strength is this is the magnetic field whose strength is 0.85 Tesla. Work done for rotating the coil by 180 degree. So the coil has to be rotated by 180 degree. Suppose this is the magnetic field. This is the plane. Now this has to be rotated 180 degree. So this has to be completely rotated. So the face, this face now is this side, and this face will be other side. It just turns about 180 degree. So initially I'll write theta 1 is 0 and theta 2 is 180 degree. So what is the torque? Work done for rotating the coil against the torque is. The work done against the torque is given by, the formula is mb cos of theta 1 minus cos of theta 2. So cos of, because the cosine graph is like this, the 0 is 1 and 180 degree is minus 1. So this will be mb cos of 0 minus cos of 180 degree. The work done against the torque is given by mb cos of 0 is 1 minus of cos of 180 is minus 1. So this is 2. So it is 2 mb. So while a complete rotation of a coil through 180 degree creates it doubles the value. So 2 mb. So now 2 into m is the dipole moment, which is nia into b. So it's equal to 2 into n, number of turns, which is 250. I is the current, which is 85 micro, so 10 raised to the power minus 6 ampere. IA is the area of the loop. Each loop is having this centimeter 2.1 length and 1.25 breadth, and in centimeter, so it will be minus 4 meter square into the B value, which is 0.85. This is Tesla. So this is an SI system. If I solve this value, you have to write this is 500 into 85 into 85 divided by 100 into 10 to the power minus 6 into these values 2.1, 1.25 and 10 to the power minus 4. All the answers you see the options in microjoule, so I'll keep micro. This micro I'll take out, this I will take out. So this will be the left behind. This is 5, 85, 85, 2.1, 1.25, 10 to the power minus 4 microjoule. So this have to solve it. This is minus 4, so I'll write 5 into 0.85 into 0.85 into 2.1, 1.25. This is the value in microjoule. So basically this has to be checked approximately. This you don't have to actually solve in an exam to find the answer, but we are interested in the approximate numbers because the numbers are varying 1, 2, 4 and 9. So let us first see which category it falls. If I consider this as multiply 2 divide 2, or I can consider this as 1. Suppose this is 2, this is 2 now. Okay, so it's 2 approximately. This is, I can take 2, 5 to the 10, this is 10, so this will become 8.5. So 8.5 into this is approximately 9, suppose 0.9, then 8.5 and 9. So that means if I take this 1, then this is 8.5. So that means the answer should be little more than 8 something. So if you choose that way, this is the answer. Otherwise, you multiply, you will also get the same answer. This is actually multiply 2, divide 2, this will become 2.5. This I can take 2, this will become 5. 5 5 is 25, divided by 2 is 12.25. 12.5, and this is 0.8, 0.9 you can take. So this is 7 point something, 7 point something, and 12, which is 12 sevens are 9 point something. You will get 94 something, 9 point something. So therefore, this will be the answer. Okay. So this is the answer to this question. Thank you.